guys, tanong po sige sir at meron tayong limang video na ire-react ngayong araw na ito at samahan nyo ako. Okay, maraming salamat at huwag kayong bitaw. Okay, ito na po yung una. Ito na po.
Tanong mo rin ba yan sa sarili mo nung nakita mo si Angel's Pizza? At magkano ba mag-franchise ng Angel's Pizza? At magugulat ka kung ano ang company ang may hawak kay Angel's Pizza. At ayun ang magiging dahilan kung bakit pwede kang mag-invest sa Angel's Pizza for as low as 100,000 pesos. Let's find out. So, chinek ko dito sa ufranchiseasia.com at ito yung mga franchise investment details. Yung franchise fee is 4 million pesos plus value added tax. And yung franchise investment is 20 million plus. At ang space requirement is dapat mga 120 square meters to 150 plus square meters. Pero alam mo ba nung nag-start ang Angel's Pizza noong 2009, finounded to ng mga core employees ng Domino's Pizza. So another trivia yan. So kung wala ka naman more than 24 million pesos at gusto mo talaga magmay-ari or maging part owner ng Angel's Pizza, pwede mong gawin yun dahil ang Angel's Pizza, ang nagpapatakbo niyan is ang The Figaro Coffee Group. Kung di kayo familiar, sila yung may-ari ng The Figaro Coffee Company. And itong Tienmas. So dahil The Figaro Coffee Group nga ang may-ari ng Angel's Pizza, wala siyang kinalaman sa Angel's Burger kasi ang Angel's Burger is hindi corporation, isa siyang small business. At alam mo ba na ang The Figaro Coffee Group Incorporated ay kaka-publicly listed lang nila sa Philippine stock market kamakailan lang. At ito yung current price nila, 0.730 cents. So expect natin na mag-grow pa to na mag-grow in the future. So kung gusto mong matuto mag-invest sa The Figaro Coffee Group Incorporated, let me help you. I will give you a free 30-minute financial consultation para matulungan kita kung paano mag-i-invest sa The Figaro Coffee Group. I-click mo lang tong link sa bio ko and i-click mo tong free 30-minute financial consultation. See you! Magkapatid!
Ito naman guys, yung second video natin, medyo horror naman siya, no? So, sabi daw dyan, worst execution method in human history. So, ito yung escapism daw. Okay? Panoorin natin.
The victim is placed between two boats or hollowed-out tree trunks, which are then fastened together with the individual inside, resembling a ghastly coffin. Openings are left for the head, arms, and legs to protrude, and they're slathered in a sticky mixture of honey, which is also smeared on their face, hands, and feet. Following this, the victim is force-fed a copious concoction of milk and honey. The boat is subsequently set adrift on a stagnant pond or lake under the glaring, hot Persian sun. The honey draws swarming insects, which incessantly bite and burrow into the exposed flesh. In time, the milk and honey diet induces severe diarrhea, attracting further infestation from maggots and vermin, which begin consuming the person from the inside. Over a period that could span days or even weeks, the victim's body gradually decomposes while they remain alive, enduring an unimaginably slow and torturous demise until the merciful release of death arrives. This is...
So yun nga guys, napanood nyo yung video, so medyo alanganin yan, yung ganyang sa panahon ngayon, hindi na siguro yan gagawin. So ito yung mga sinaunang punishment, no? Yung mga panahon na di pa siguro tayo buhay, mga sa history natin, mga ganyan, no? Sobrang disturbing at saka parang hindi makatao, parang sobrang pahihirapan ka, no? So yun nga guys, so next tayong video. Ito naman guys, yung third video natin ay isa sa mga siguro magagaling na singers ng Pilipinas. Hindi man ito sikat, pero alam natin ng mga Pinoy, talented yan at marunong magaling sumayaw, kumanta, umakting, at kung ano-ano pa. So, pakinggan natin tong sana hindi ako makapiright sa video na to.
How am I supposed to live without
So yun nga guys, hindi ko natatapusin tong video na to at magbibigay na ako ng aking insight sa kantang ito. Kasi baka mayari tayo, no? So, normal drinking session in the Philippines be like. So, totoo yan guys. Karamihan po ng yung mga tambay-tambay, mga inuman, mga handaan sa Pilipinas, kadalasan talaga pag may kantahan, meron talagang nag-i-stand out. Kadalasan yan guys, palaging may kumakanta na ganito kalupit, no? So, kung ikaw nanonood kayo, magaling ka kumanta. Idol kita. Okay. So, next video. So, fourth na tayo, guys. Fourth. So, ayan guys, kita nyo sa title ni Kuya JP, no? 5 early symptoms of kidney failure. So, ito, mga ganitong videos, guys. Kailangan natin panoorin to. Lalo tungkol sa health. At health is wealth nga naman. So, pakinggan natin siya, guys.
You don't want to ignore that I had. Number one, poor sleep. And I mean poor sleep that consists of multiple nights, not one or two nights, but those consistent insomniac nights that keep you up until 3, 4 in the morning for years. Number two, itchy skin through the legs, your arms, everywhere on your body, and just super dry skin, just laying in bed, can't sleep because you're scratching all night. That's the type of itchy skin I'm talking about. This third one is kind of hard to kind of read, but when you have swollen face and swollen ankles, and it's not from gaining weight or a bad diet, it's just extra liquid just forming around your face and ankles, and it just won't go down. Being out of breath, and I mean just parking your car and going to the grocery store, being out of breath from just doing something like that. You shouldn't be out of breath by just doing typical daily things. And last one you don't want to ignore is foggy head. Some reason with kidney failure, you start to forget things don't make sense, you can't focus. And I know a lot of times people confuse that with any other chronic illnesses, but with kidney failure, foggy head is one early sign of kidney failure. Those were some of the early symptoms that happened to me, so try not ignoring that. And if you have most of those or all of those, go get checked and share this video. Also, share some of the signs and symptoms that you had with kidney.
So yan guys, shinare ni Kuya JP yung kanyang experience at mga naranasan bago niya nalaman na meron siyang kidney failure, no? So alam natin na napaka-deadly ng kidney failure. So ah alagaan natin ang sarili natin at huwag nating ignore yung mga lumalabas na sintomas. At may isa ka nang naramdaman doon, better ah, pumunta ka na sa doktor, okay? Magpa-check up ka, magpa-lab ka para malaman mo kung ano yung ah, sakit mo or kung meron ka man sakit para maagapan, no? So yun nga guys, ito na tayo, parting tayo sa last video. Maraming maraming sa pagsama. Okay, hanap tayong last video natin. Ito guys, medyo nakakalungkot na video itong mapapanood natin ngayon. So, based dyan po sa caption, military dad, here's son's voice for the last time. So, ito po ay hindi na nakauwi na soldier. O, di ko po alam kung saan bansa to, pero pakinggan po natin. So guys, hindi ko natatapusin yung video at nakita naman natin yung reaction ng tatay dun sa message ng anak, no? So voice recorder, no? So ang message nito guys, habang buhay pa kayo, habang buhay pang magulang nyo, mga kapatid nyo, at sino mang kamag-anak nyo na talagang very close sa inyo at mahal nyo. Okay? Na wala kayong ah, hatred, no? Para wala kayong hatred at wala kayong tinatago habang buhay pa, habang okay pa na tayo ang lahat. um, ah, Pumunta kayo sa kanila, kausapin nyo sila, say I love you, and then yakapin nyo yung mga tao na to para po if ever, wag naman po sana in the near future mabaon po nila yung message nyo sa kanila nung magkasama pa kayo, kasi po ang hirap po talaga na hindi mo na nakikita yung kumakausap sa iyo, hindi ka makapag-response. Kaya po nito, ang nare-response ng po yung tatay is pag-iyak at yung lungkot, no? So mas maganda habang okay pa lahat, mas maganda ano niyo na, gawin niyo na yung dapat niyong gawin at huwag niyong kalimutan na lagi magdasal para kayo ay ingatan at hindi maging biglaan yung inyong pagkawala sa mundong ito. So guys, medyo malungkot yung last video natin, pero I'm sure nag-enjoy naman kayo sa iba nating video, hindi itong particular na last video, no? So, maraming salamat. Next time, meron pa tayong panonoorin. So, stay tuned. Please subscribe. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Peace out.